Hey everyone, I'm Joe, and I'm an IT specialist here at Nagios. And in today's video, I'll be giving you a short walkthrough of Nagios XI wizards. Nagios XI configuration wizards simplify the process of monitoring by providing a guided step-by-step interface for setting up hosts, services, and devices. They eliminate the need to manually write configuration files, reducing errors and saving time, especially for new users. This makes them an essential tool for quickly deploying reliable monitoring across diverse environments. Let's dive right into today's video. When on Nagios XI, we can head to the left side of the screen, hover over the gear icon, and then click on Configuration Wizards. A wizard in Nagios XI is a guided setup tool that walks you through the process of configuring monitoring for hosts, services, or applications using a simple step-by-step interface. We have over 75 different wizards that are defaulted in Nagios XI. These wizards range from Microsoft to Linux to even Mac that we can all monitor. At the very top of the page, we have 6 featured wizards that highlight the most commonly used or essential configuration wizards, making it easy to quickly access and deploy for popular systems. Beneath are all the other wizards that Nagios XI offers in Nagios XI. If you already know what wizard you're looking for and don't want to scroll to look for it, at the very top of the page, we have a search feature where you purely can search up whatever you are looking for, whether it's Microsoft, or even something to do with the database. To the right of that, we have a filtering system. This allows the user to find wizards for their specific needs, whether it's Windows, network, website, etc. Lastly, if none of these wizards are what you're looking for, or if you have created your own wizard, we have the Nagios Exchange website, which is an online repository for Nagios plugins, add-ons, wizards, and other community-contributed extensions. You can import a wizard from the Exchange repository and configure it like you would with a normal wizard. Nagios XI configuration wizards make it easy to quickly set up monitoring for a wide range of systems and services, all without needing to touch complex configuration files. Be sure to explore the available wizards in your XI interface and check out our documentation for more tips on getting the most out of them. As always, thanks for watching and happy monitoring.